Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video we are going to talk each and everything related to internship completion date of NEET PG 2023 and we will talk about the start and end date for all the states and what is the reply came from NMC and what are the actions will be taken by NMC regarding these dates, okay, and how many candidates are going to get impacted, what is the role of FODA and all different communities. Before we start, if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe this channel. This channel is very important for all your NEET PG 2023 activities, and you can also call us on the contact number that is 9319128677. You can also send us WhatsApp messages. In the description of the video you will find a telegram group which you can join by clicking on the link, and you can also avail our paid counseling guidance which will be applicable until you get the seat this year or next year, and we will also support in your preparation. Okay, so these are around 23 states. Okay, so most of the states are the candidates from most of the states are not going to complete their internship by 31st of March. Okay, in Kerala the internship has not started yet. Okay, I mean, so it's going to complete on July 23. Okay, in Chhattisgarh November 23, in Assam 14th May, in Karnataka 24th April, in Andhra Pradesh only they are completing before the deadline, that is 27 March, Telangana July, in Maharashtra 19th May, Tamil Nadu 17th May, Madhya Pradesh in month of July, West Bengal on 1st May they will complete. Bihar is complete, it will complete in month of August. Okay, Assam 13th May, Uttar Pradesh 10th April, Gujarat 31st March, and Delhi June, Meghalaya 3rd April, Tripura 4th May. Okay, so more than 50% candidates are going to get impacted. The FODA association has also mentioned the same thing. Okay, so voice against this internship completion is raised by candidates, medical associations. Okay, and ultimately the NB said that NMC is the body who decides this internship completion date, and following the doctor protest, NMC will definitely reconsider the internship cutoff date. Otherwise less than half of potential candidates will be eligible for this year. Okay, so a senior official from NMC confirmed that they would not take any step which is detrimental to the future of MBBS students. Okay, and they are going to redecide upon their dates. Now let's discuss why this situation has come into place. First of all, due to COVID, from last 3 years, the schedule of a internship and NEET PG examination, counseling, result, everything got derailed. Okay, and that's why the 1 year long internship is also starting late, because the candidates are joining the institution late. Okay, now when the government is trying to bring the schedule on time or closer to the actual deadline or timelines, okay, they are facing problem. Okay, so delay are caused during the last 2 years of COVID has caused many MBBS students to finish their year-long internship which they undertook during their 4th year. According to FODA, 23 states, okay, internship date for the MBBS will be varying from April to November, as we saw in the state-wise schedule. Okay, in Bihar is going to complete in month of August. Okay, so it's matter of time only when they are going to communicate, because the brochure will also be published again on NBE. Okay, as communicated by NMC officials, and they will definitely extend the date. There is no doubt about it. Okay, because it's not just major candidates are getting impacted, most of the candidates are getting impacted. Okay, and less than 50% candidates will participate considering this date. okay, will be eligible. So soon you can expect a new bulletin with a new internship completion deadline, okay, and it's going to see they are not ready to make any change on the examination, and the examination should happen on the same date, okay. So don't think about postponement of examination. This video is not intended for postponement of examination, but definitely after the result you need to wait little longer for the counseling process to start, okay, so that most of the candidates are covered under that internship role, okay, because on 31st March result is coming, then after like 15 or 20 days if the counseling starts, the joining will be happening from the month of April or May, okay. So but to cover all the students, all the MBBS candidates, they need to extend the internship up to August month. So they will do the meetups, they will do their intern meeting to decide like what should be the date for the internship completion, and that will be the final. But don't think that examination is going to postpone, okay. So with this I'm going to conclude this video, okay. We'll meet again, and the candidates who are filling up the NEET PG 2023 application form, they are facing many issues like payment is deducted from the account but is showing not paid, and many errors are coming in the process of payment. Sometimes the category of EWS is not shown, okay. So don't take any action immediately, okay. You need to wait because of server issues, because of anything it might happening. So you need to first email to them, okay, that this is the issue you are getting, and if it's still not resolved for the payment case, you can do the payment again. The previous payment will be refunded, okay. So that's all from my side. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.